Is Ally a big bank? It's a question that might pop up in your mind as you consider your banking options. Let's dive into the details and figure it out together. Ally Bank, formerly known as Ally Financial, has been making waves in the financial industry. But is it a big bank, or is it something different? We'll explore what defines a big bank and see where Ally fits into the picture. What defines a big bank? Before we label Ally, let's clarify what we mean by a big bank. Typically, big banks are large financial institutions with a significant physical presence, offering a wide range of financial products and services. They often have a complex organizational structure and a vast network of branches and ATMs. However, the banking landscape has changed dramatically in recent years with the rise of digital banking and fintech companies. These new players challenge the traditional definition of a big bank, offering innovative solutions and a more customer-centric approach. Ally's unique position. Ally Bank stands out as a digital-only bank operating primarily online. It doesn't have a physical branch network, relying instead on digital platforms and mobile apps to serve its customers. While Ally may not have the physical footprint of a traditional big bank, it has certainly made a name for itself. It's one of the largest online banks in the United States, with millions of customers and billions of dollars in assets. It offers a wide range of financial products, including savings accounts, checking accounts, CDs, and investment services. The big bank debate. So, is Ally a big bank? It depends on how you define it. If you're looking for a traditional big bank with a physical presence and a complex organizational structure, then Ally doesn't fit the bill. However, if you consider a bank size, customer base, and product offerings, then Ally certainly qualifies as a significant player in the financial industry. Some people might argue that Ally is a big bank in disguise, leveraging technology to offer banking services at a larger scale. Others might contend that it's a nimble, innovative challenger bank that's disrupting the traditional banking model. Ultimately, the answer to the question of whether Ally is a big bank is subjective and depends on your own perspective. The benefits of digital banking. Regardless of whether you consider Ally a big bank or not, it's clear that digital banking has a lot to offer. By eliminating the need for physical branches, digital banks can offer lower fees, higher interest rates, and a more convenient banking experience. Ally Bank is a prime example of this. It offers a variety of benefits, including high-interest savings accounts. Ally consistently offers some of the highest interest rates on savings accounts in the industry. No monthly fees. Ally doesn't charge monthly maintenance fees on its checking accounts. Mobile banking. Ally's mobile app is user-friendly and allows you to manage your finances on the go. Excellent customer service. Ally is known for its excellent customer service, with 24/7 live support. If you're looking for a bank that offers a great combination of high interest rates, low fees, and convenience, Ally is definitely worth considering. In conclusion, while Ally Bank may not fit the traditional definition of a big bank, it's undoubtedly a significant player in the financial industry. Its focus on digital banking and customer-centric approach has made it a popular choice for many consumers. Whether you choose to bank with Ally or another institution, it's important to do your research and choose a bank that meets your individual needs and preferences. By understanding the differences between traditional banks and digital banks, you can make informed decisions about your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.